completely missed it, completely forgot about it. And then a couple days ago I was like, oh shoot, my lock anniversary, my second year lock anniversary was actually July 3rd. Hello beautiful unapologetics, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I am Shama with the Unapologetic Happy Life, where we help you take on a holistic approach to designing and living the life that you love. So as you can tell by the title of this video, in today's video I am doing my 2-year lock update. Oh my god, well actually today's date is July 7th, which is my birthday, by the way, so happy birthday to me. And so I decided to also make a video about my lock update because I actually missed my 2-year lock anniversary, y'all. I completely forgot my lock anniversary is July 3rd, so at the date of this video I am technically 2 years and 4 days locked. Completely missed it, completely forgot about it. And then a couple days ago I was like, oh shoot, my lock anniversary, my second year lock anniversary was actually July 3rd, which was on Saturday. So I figured I would just do a video today. It's my birthday at the time of recording this video, so obviously when you see it, it won't be my birthday anymore, but at the time of recording this video, it's my birthday and it's my 2-year 4-day lock anniversary. So this is my hair, y'all. This is what the hair is looking like. I hope it's showing up properly on camera, but y'all, I am in love with my hair. It is thriving. It is doing so good. I am just beyond excited for my hair right now. Okay, so this is what it's looking like, y'all. Can you see? Can you see? And yes, it is. Can y'all hear that? Yo, I'm pissed. Like seriously, every time I turn on the camera, there's somebody trying to blow some leaves. There's always a leaf blower. Somebody is blowing leaves, y'all. Why? Can y'all tell me why that happens? Like every time I plan on recording, something happens. Can y'all hear that? I'll be back. All right, I'm back. I think they've stopped for a little bit, but so as I was saying earlier, my hair is freshly retightened. I took about 2 days. I did the retightening over the span of 2 days and took my time with it. I wanted my hair done before my birthday, so I finished at 2 a.m. this morning, finished interlocking my hair. But I am loving the way it's looking. I'm gonna try to give you a 360. This is what it's looking like. This is the front. I hope I was in frame with that, but that's my hair, y'all. And I don't know if you would have noticed by the size, but let me let you in on a little secret. So I actually did combine more locks, y'all. I did combine some locks. So in today's video I am actually sharing with you my new updated lock count. I have not counted it. I was actually combining a few of the locks while I was retwisting over the past couple days, and I have not counted it, but I decided to combine a few more because certain parts of my hair was still small, and I'm just concerned that over time they are gonna thin out. Now I know there are people that say you could still have thin locks and it'd be healthy, and I wholeheartedly agree with that. Most definitely you can have thin locks and it still be healthy, but the way my hair is set up is I don't retwist most times at the time that I need to. I rarely interlock my hair at the 6-week mark, and so most times I'm out 8 weeks and beyond. The last time I retwisted my hair, I did the perimeters of my head because I wanted it to look neat. The middle of my head was not retightened, so technically, and I think I did that at the 6 weeks mark, that I interlocked the perimeters of my hair from the last time I had interlocked. And so I think it's been another 6 weeks. So technically the middle of my head had not been retightened before now. Maybe 2 months, 3 months probably at that point. So I had a lot of growth, and yes, I know my hair grows away from my roots, which then contributes to very thin roots. So I'm trying to do better with that. I'm trying to hopefully be consistent with retightening my hair at approximately 6 weeks, like clockwork. But I'm not there yet. I'm trying to get there. But I figured I would be much more comfortable with just combining some of my hair, because some parts were bigger than other parts, and so just to avoid having to deal with very thin locks, especially at the perimeter of my, at the nape at the back of my head. The hair there is very thin, much more fine than, you know, like the rest of my head. So I went ahead and just did that. But I am loving it. It's looking healthy. I'm liking how it turned out. It's very thick and very nice and very flowy. But yeah, so let's go ahead and jump into this lock count. And if you are interested in me making a video as to why exactly I started locks, because I don't think I've really talked about why I even thought about starting locks in the first place, let me know. Drop a comment down below, lock story, so that way I know you're interested in my story as to my hair and why I decided to go ahead and start locks. All right, let's go ahead and jump into this lock update. So I'm gonna put my hair up in a band. And comment below, let me know how many locks you think I have right now, since I have combined, and I do not intend on combining anymore. I think I have now reached perfect size, ideally, that I would like to keep, and so I don't intend on interlocking anymore. But when I started my lock journey in 2019, 2 years ago, I started with about 243 locks, and I had my undercut. So even with an undercut, I had 243 locks. And then not too long after that, I combined a few. Actually, no, when I installed, yeah, I did combine some. And then when I installed the new locks at the nape of my head, I think I had about 180 locks. Over time, I have installed new ones because I've had new growth, but I've also combined recently, so I really don't know how many I have. So you and I are gonna find out together, but I would like to see your guesses as to how many locks you think I now have. Let's go. Let's count. One. And I don't know if you guys saw how big the back of my head is, but this is how big it's now is. I hope you can see that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My hands are tired. I'm at 50 so far, I think. All right, let's keep going. All right, we've hit 100. Let's see. Oh my god, I kind of thought that this was the number that I was gonna get, and it's amazing. So hopefully I did count right, because I do have some locks that are combined that are two-headed dragons like these, but I tried my best to make sure I felt them at the base to make sure I was counting them as one. But my new lock count is 150 locks. I went down from 180 down to 150. So yes, that's my new lock count, and I think I'm very happy with it. The size looks amazing. Hopefully they keep growing nicely. For some of the locks that I combined, I cut them, and I think I might have a clip, so I'll insert that. But for some of them, I cut the one that I wanted to split. I cut the length, combed it out, and split it. For others, I just, when I was tired, y'all, like in the wee hours of the morning, like let's say if this was the lock I wanted to split, I just pushed my finger right through the middle of the base, took a scissors, clipped off right through the middle, and took some of the hair that came off, attached it to one, and attached the lock to another. So that's how I went ahead and combined. Okay, I know it's not the most healthy way of doing it, but that's how I did it. So that's it. This is my 2-year lock anniversary and my 2-year lock update and my new lock count update. I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, video requests, or suggestions, drop them down in the comment section below. If you've not yet already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can join the rest of the unapologetics here on this channel, and don't forget to hit the post notification so you never miss another upload. Thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you guys next time, but until then, stay blessed and remember to live life unapologetically. Bye guys.